Freshly collected fertile eggs enter the fumigation cabinet for microbial decontamination. This critical biosecurity step eliminates surface contamination before hatchery transport. From the farm to the hatchery, witness the complete journey of egg production. Advanced technology ensures quality and efficiency at every step. The extraordinary to hatchery-ready egg. At the hatchery entrance, visitors and staff enter through a professional biosecurity anteroom. They shower and change into facility-specific clothing. They then walk through disinfection foot baths, a critical step in this rigorous protocol. The hatchery's comprehensive system separates clean egg receiving zones from contaminated chick dispatch areas. Digital displays enforce strict one-way protocols, preventing any cross-process channel. This dashboard coordinates the hatchery's continuous flow. Eggs set daily, hatch dates, chick numbers, and customer deliveries are precisely scheduled for optimal production. Aerial overview of the mega hatchery. Biosecurity protocols ensure safe entry for all personnel and vehicles. Eggs are received and immediately and automated loading systems prepare eggs for incubation. This is a state-of-the-art commercial single-stage setter incubator, precisely engineered for 0.1 degrees Celsius, manages humidity and CO2, and automatically turns 60,000 eggs every 60 minutes. This control panel maintains precise conditions: 37.8 degrees Celsius, 55 to 60% relative humidity, CO2 below 0.4%, and a 45-degree turning angle every 60 minutes, replicating a hen's brood on a commercial scale. This is a multi-stage setter room. Eggs from different setting dates share the same environment, with labeled positions indicating developmental stages. This automated high-speed egg candling machine rapidly scans entire setter trays at production speed, using multiplies infertile and dead-in-shell eggs with expert-level accuracy. All systems stable. Temperature and tube within optimal range. Power status normal. No anomalies detected. Alert acknowledged. Initiating response protocol. In the vast setter room, precision begins at scale. Automated mechanisms ensure optimal conditions. Advanced candling reveals intricate life. The process advances, ready for transfer. Here, the hatcher cabinet's environment is precisely controlled. Temperature is reduced and humidity is raised to prevent desiccation. Egg turning is stopped and CO2 is allowed to rise slightly, triggering the chicks to hatch. Uniformity is high on this load. Chicks are active and dry. Next one, 80% hatched, vitality excellent, good candidate for early pull. Overall, very successful. The hatchery quality management screen displays a complete breakdown of unhatched eggs, including early, mid, late, pipped, and infertile categories with their percentages. The system provides comprehensive biological intelligence. In the hatchery's most intensive room, sanitation begins immediately after the pull. Thorough cleaning removes all biological debris from disinfection follows, breaking the cycle of disease between hatches. The journey begins with automated transfer of embryos to the hatcher. Inside, precise conditions are maintained, leading to the extraordinary pipping moment. Finally, sanitation ensures the cycle is clean and ready to... This automated chick counter system precisely tallies thousands of active yellow chicks on a professional conveyor, replacing labor-intensive manual counting. This technology ensures efficient, accurate processing.